meaning of pre and post investment from bank? If you earn more than 1% and the bank charges you 1%, how will you export? Well, this is a very interesting question on finance, on margins, and on pre and post shipment finance. So ideally, what is the percentage margin that is available when you do rice export? In my opinion, there could be anywhere between 4 to 5% in non-basmati rice, and what the split of this 4 to 5% is roughly about 2 to 2.5%. There is a direct margin that which between buy and selling price which you will enjoy. Apart from that, you get GST refund from the government. Earlier there used to be RoTip refund from the government, which is now stopped because it is not allowed for products having duty. So in this about 4%, even if your finance cost is 1%, you are still left with about 3%. If your finance cost is 2%, also you are left with like about 2.5%, right? So there is margin to be made. The way you need to look at this, think that on your money, how much percentage are you making every month, right? If you keep it in FD, in today's day you'll have about 7 to 8% per annum. But if you do, say for example, even 2% per month as net margin, you will do 24% per annum on your capital, assuming that your capital is rotating every 30 days, right? So it is possible. I mean, sometimes it also happens that if you're a new exporter, I think you should not even look at margin. Make 0% margin just for the sake of learning. Don't lose money, it's okay. But at least 1, 2, 3, 5 shipments, learn the whole process. Or you can just contact us. PWIP helps in hand-holding exports, giving export orders, guaranteeing payments, etc. and a lot of things that we do. And what you need to do is just contact us, my friends.